snowmobiles in there, and you got your quads out all summer and fall. But when you go camping, like my goal is I'm not going to keep this camper long. I'm going to have 6 friends. But when I go out deer hunting, you go out, a half hour from here, another person pulls the fucking four place with the quad. So when you go out camping, you got a couple of campers in the woods, and everybody's got their quad runners. It's fucking awesome. You want to find a place about a half hour away, nobody around. You ain't gonna be behind Walmart. Yeah, go camping. You know what I mean? So that's my goal. Things I like to do. Or even if you go camping in the summertime, you can take the quads out there. You know how Putnam is. And you don't take the good camper out there. You take your hunting camper out.
Did I get you? No, Ring. No, come back. Oh, hey, Ringo. Ringo. I know.
Hey.
That was so cute.
Yeah, that's my goal. It takes a long time to get that far. It's more practical to me.
Why are we in my mom's room? Oh God. You nasty little kid. Let's look at your food bowl. Oh, that's why. Isn't it, Ringo? You have food. Why are you hungry? If you're hungry, eat the food. If you're... Cats. Ooh, swirly ice cream. I'm not even touching it. My hand was over here because I was looking. I'm eating in front of you.
I know.
What is that thing?
It's
Hi, Dad. Is that a Ringo? Is that a Ringo? Is it? Hi, Ringo. How are you doing, kitten? Bite me? Bite me? Ringo! No, you made me spill it. Come on, let's go. What are you doing, Mama? This smells so bad. Ringo! Hi, Ring. Do you really eat this? Take it. I don't want it. Fine. Ringo! Hi, Ring. I know. Just working on it. Okay. Wait. Meow.
And I wouldn't put nothing in its place so you can drive through there.
Yes. Meow.
And your mom said there was
Meow.
no title for the Cadillac.
Yes.
Teresa's got it.
Meow. Yes.
Yes,
Meow.
she does. Your mom says she does not have
Meow.
it. Huh?
Meow. Don't hit me. Meow.
No, Teresa's got a briefcase over there.
Meow. Yes. Meow.
So if you sell the car,
Yes.
Teresa can...
Meow.
I don't know
Yes.
what
Meow.
talk to Teresa for the car.
Yep. Hop up. Go on. Hop up. There you go. I know. Cats. I love them. Don't you? Ring. Eat healthy.